Good day. Also, when the president took over, the prices of fuel went up because the subsidy was removed, and then the price was choking. Like the cost of transport went high to the extent that government introduced the CNG, which is the compressed natural gas, and so many people adopted that because it's way cheaper and it's more cost effective. So delivering the same power output, delivering the same thing as the petrol at a lesser cost. So people went for the CNG, and it didn't end there. So for now, the Keke Napep also has a CNG version, and in this video we are going to be talking about the full specifications and price of the TVS King Deluxe CNG in Nigeria in 2025. This Keke Napep has no business with filling station unless it's going to a CNG plant to fill up his tank. This one comes with a CNG fully kitted from the company. The CNG version delivers the same performance and the same comfort as the normal TVS King Deluxe, but for this one uses CNG, while the normal TVS King Deluxe uses gasoline, that is petrol. The amazing specification of the CNG Keke Napep in Nigeria include the 4-stroke liquid cooled SI engine, 199.26cc engine, maximum power output of 7.5 kilowatt at 5,500 revolution per minute, maximum torque output of 15.5 newton meter at 3,250 revolution per minute, integrated starter generator and the hand starter, 4 forward gears and 1 reverse gear, manual constant mesh gearbox, and the top speed of 63 plus 2 km per hour. So this is the amazing features on the CNG version. Then coming down to the price of the TVS King Deluxe CNG in Nigeria, price of CNG Keke Napep in Nigeria, the pricing starts as 4 million naira and goes up to 4.2 million naira. It's 4 million to 4,200,000 naira in 2025. So what do you think about this innovation? Do you think that the CNG Keke Napep is a good way to go? Although we know that Keke Napep right from time, it offers improved fuel economy because it's just a 1-cylinder engine, so there's no long talk about it. Is this the best way to go? Drop your views in the comment. Before you go, please do well to like and subscribe because we got so much more videos coming your way. Thank you.